Hi, today I would like to talk about how to revise and how often we should revise, because you know that the course that you are having in front of you as far as civil service exam is concerned is very wide and then elaborate. Unless you revise, you are not in a position to get a grip on that. So from that perspective, I'd like to tell you as to how to revise and how many times to revise and those kind of things. In fact, let me make it simple. I would like to tell you that you should have a specific way of reading this. I mean, this is something which is different from what you've done in your college days. First thing that I would like you to take a thing and then read it horizontally. And then when you're reading it horizontally, you would be in a position to understand there are certain facts that you need to really remember, and then you should know that. So while you're reading horizontally, you should go on underlining those portions which you think are factual, and I think you should remember them. So that's one task. The second time, which actually goes into the bracket of revision, is what you should do is that you read only the highlighted portions that you have got. Still you're going horizontal, that's the second time, it's already in the bracket of revision. The third time that you should be doing is that you read it vertically. You can give some gap between these three phases, but I think these are the three times. Once you say that I have read it for examination. Remember, it's not reading for the sake of reading. It's not like a retired person who's reading newspaper because it likes reading and then that's a hobby. No, you're reading for the examination. So this is what I consider this two revision already, in which I call it as reading. Then I suppose I like you to do the fourth component, and that is flash revision. Flash revision is like keeping the thing slightly away from you and try to recall things which is what you have read. So first time horizontal, second time those highlighted, and the third time that you go for vertical, and then the fourth time is that you are trying to retrieve, you are trying to reproduce out of your mind. And that is the way I like you to do the reading, which has got already three factors of revision incorporated. After that, there's the simple thing. If you have read a thing, normally you should go for its revision once in the same week. If you revise it in the same week, it will stay for a few weeks. So it stays for a few weeks. Within those few weeks, depending on the topic and the theme and the kind of person you are supposed to go back to the same thing in the same month. So if you read the same thing once all over again, mind it, you've already read how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You are revising it once again, but don't think that every subsequent time will take the same amount of time it will have taken on the first instance of revision. So you do flash revision most often. You open the page and then your finger moves like that. Your mind kind of recalls all those information. So if you revise it after a month or so, it stays for a few months. After a few months again you see it, again it'll stay till the examination. So that's the way I like it to. You revise it within an hour, it stays for a few more hours. If you revise in a week, it stays a few more weeks. If you revise in a few months, it stays for a few months more. So that's how it actually goes on building, and then your examination comes before you forget it. Remember that you must always keep this fact of revision in your mind. But then the important key which I gave you here is that retrieval revision. Revision not for the sake of taking it one more time in your mind. Revision also involves taking out of my mind. So if you're looking at the thing slightly distant and you're able to reproduce the major facts that you wanted, well, that's the way I like you to revise, and that is quicker, and then that's something which is very fruitful, because that's the process you're going to do or replicate in the examination hall. Hopefully this is now clear as to how to read and revise. My best wishes are with you.